Welcome back. So this lecture is about dressing, and the first step is keep it simple. Effortless style is all about looking like you put in no effort. So keep your outfit simple. Use a limited number of clothing and accessory pieces. This is especially important when it comes to accessories. For example, don't wear a scarf and bangles and big earring and a hat. Try to limit yourself to two noticeable or accent accessories. And now the next step is choose an outfit appropriate for the occasion. You will want to be wearing clothes that look stylish but are not too much for the occasion. Overdressing is a sure sign that you put way too much thought and effort into how you are dressed. Don't wear a fancy dress for grocery shopping and don't wear a long gown when a cocktail dress will do, for example. Alright, now let's move to next step, that is emphasize the accessories. Since your clothes themselves should generally be in muted neutral colors, you will want to make your accessories your accent pieces. These should draw the attention and look extra cool. It is easier to have accessories that conform to the latest fashion and trends, so don't worry about that as much. For example, you could pair a floppy hat and patterned fashion scarf with a brown jacket, blue tee, white skinny jeans, and brown boots. Another example would be to wear a black dress and pair it with red earring and a bracelet. Just make sure you keep your color palette across the whole outfit. Accent accessories colors should generally be the same or complement each other. Now the next step is don't neglect the hair. You will want your hair to be stylish too. Keep it in a simple style or carefully created tousled look, but make sure that you are in fact creating the look. Your hair should look nice, even if it doesn't look like you spent an hour getting it just right. Avoid products to achieve a more neutral look associated with effortless style. This means no gel or hairspray. And guys, the next step is use minimal makeup. Women should avoid using very noticeable makeup. Keep the colors natural, ladies, and get as close as you can to looking like you don't have makeup on at all. You want to, of course, emphasize your best feature and hide certain flaws, but don't go overboard. Lips are an area of exception, as these can be a great way to add a little extra bang to an outfit by introducing bright colors like a classic red. And the next step is keep lines and texture to a minimum. Mixing patterns well is incredibly difficult and will make you look more chaotic and less elegant. It's okay to have one item in your outfit have a pattern or texture, but keep it limited to one. Alright guys, now the last step is avoid bulk. Keep layers of minimum and avoid chunky items or other items that add a lot of bulk. These will make you appear chubbier and less streamlined and stylish. Oversized sweaters have a time and place, but tend to go in and out of fashion to a certain extent, so be careful. Well guys, thanks for listening. I'm all done with this lecture. I hope you understand. See you in the next lecture.